Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video we'll be comparing MooMoo with Zacks and which one is better for you. So let's get right into it. MooMoo is made for fast moves. Its mobile and desktop apps are sleek, intuitive and beginner friendly with a clean UI. It packs in real-time codes, advanced charting, level 2 data and even AI powered insight, which are all free. So it offers $0 commission on US stock and ETFs. You also get free level 2 codes, which are very rare at this price point. It shines for new traders with paper trading, in-app education, and active communities. Now, if I compare Moomoo with Zactrade, so Zactrade feels more like a traditional broker. It's powerful but comes with a learning curve, better for seasoned traders used to complex for platforms like IBKR. It goes deeper with direct access trading, advanced order types, and access to 20 plus global markets, which is ideal for serious day traders and pro. It charges at around $0.01 per share with a $1 minimum low, but not free. So international traders can also get pricier too. So Zactrade offers personalized customer support and manual account setup, which help for great traders managing big portfolios. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you in deciding between Momo, which is more of a perfect for active retail traders who want pro-level tools without the complexity, and also between Zack traders, which is better for experienced global traders who need access to niche markets and serious customization. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.